Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Blue skies across southern Oregon and northern California, except areas dealing with smoke and haze from the Shelley fire as well as the Salt Creek fire. We're seeing some smokier and hazier conditions in Klamath Falls and also in portions of Siskiyou County, especially the Shasta Valley around Wairika and then into the Scott Valley. Right now seeing some of the worst air quality in the region in the Scott Valley because of the Shelley fire. 97 in Medford, it's 99 in Montague, 93 in Klamath Falls. Another pretty hot day on this Thursday. Cool on the coast though, temperatures in the 60s, 63 in Gold Beach and Brookings. Taking a look at excessive heat warnings remaining in place, central and western portions of Siskiyou County. A heat advisory for the east side and for the Rogue, Illinois, as well as Applegate valleys and the rest of the west side in Jackson, Josephine, and eastern Curry County. All of these heat alerts go through 9 p.m. Saturday. We're still going to see some pretty hot weather, although we maybe have not cracked 100 degrees. So far, our high in Medford is 99. We'll have to wait and see tonight. Sometimes it corrects and we get the climate report and it ups a degree and we may still hit 100 today, but we'll keep you posted on that front. So our streak of triple-digit temperatures may have come to an end, but we still have more pretty hot weather and the potential for more triple-digit temperatures in the days ahead as this heat wave continues to linger. Breezes have picked up quite a bit for a lot of inland areas, also pretty gusty for the coast. Take a look at air quality. The smoke has worked out of most of the Rogue Valley, and we're seeing some at least worse air quality in Etna. Right now seeing unhealthy conditions, moderate air quality in Klamath Falls. Satellite and radar, clear skies throughout southern Oregon and northern California, but we look off to the south and west and you can see these showers and storms for parts of Nevada. This is monsoonal moisture that's triggering some of these showers and storms, and some of this is going to work in our direction as we go through the next few days, and that will bring the potential for some thunderstorms for parts of southern Oregon and northern California starting this weekend. Tonight, in the meantime, clear skies, fairly cool temperatures, comparatively speaking, to what we've seen through much of this week. Down to 61 in Medford and Wairika, 53 in Klamath Falls, and down to 54 in Lakeview. Some marine clouds and fog are possible on the coast tonight, but winds should keep up, and that will pretty much limit a lot of the marine layer development for the coast. When it comes to smoke, expect quite a bit of widespread smoke and haze into tomorrow morning. Some of the biggest air quality impacts will continue to be just downwind of the Shelley fire as well as the Salt Creek fire. As we go on into tomorrow, as far as high temperatures are concerned, we'll have another shot at hitting 100 degrees in Medford, 106 in Wairika, up to 99 in Klamath Falls and Lakeview, and a bit more of the Chetco effect potential for tomorrow in Brookings. Got a good shot at getting into the 70s tomorrow. We do have that red flag warning for the east side, much of Klamath Lake, eastern Siskiyou County, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. on your Friday. This is because winds are going to pick up a bit more across the region tomorrow afternoon into the early evening hours, especially where we have this red flag warning. Some gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour possible. When you factor in the heat as well as very low humidity, fires can spread rapidly in those conditions. And then as we move into the weekend, there's going to be that potential for some dry thunderstorms, especially east of the Cascades and in northern California, and that could trigger new wildfire starts. Take a look at Stormcast as we go through tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, a quiet day. We'll also have, of course, smoke and haze in the mix as well. But then here comes that monsoonal moisture for Saturday. We start to get some clouds into the region, and a few isolated thunderstorms are possible, especially for Lake County, Modoc County, and a stray thunderstorm into portions of Siskiyou County. Better chances at a bit more numerous thunderstorm developments for southern Oregon and northern California going to be on Sunday along and east of the Cascades and into northern California. Because of this thunderstorm potential, the risk for dry lightning and new wildfires, a fire weather watch has already been posted for Saturday afternoon through early Sunday evening. Much of Klamath, Lake, Modoc, and into eastern portions of Siskiyou County. For the Rogue Valley, we'll likely miss out on the thunderstorms. It will stay pretty hot with temperatures right around, if not above, 100 degrees through the weekend. For the coast, once again going to be the place to beat the heat as we go through the weekend. Breezy the next couple of days with a little bit warmer temperatures expected for the coast. Northern California, the slight chance for some thunderstorms Saturday and Sunday. Still quite hot weather as well and smoky. For the Klamath Basin, we'll be looking at that slight chance for a thunderstorm on Saturday. Better chances for storms on the east side on Sunday. We're going to be concerned about new fire starts, and we may see some thunderstorm potentials lingering for next week. We'll be keeping an eye on that for areas along and east of the Cascades and then in the Rogue Valley. Looking at mainly dry weather continuing, but it's going to still be a pretty hot stretch of weather. We're still looking at highs right around that century mark through the weekend and into next week.